Who Makes Rules by Savina Collins. Can you find these words? Bus, lifeguard, rules, safe. Who makes rules? Rules tell us how to act. Rules. Who makes rules at school? Teachers make the rules. Who makes rules at home? Parents make the rules. Who makes rules on the bus? Bus. Bus drivers make the rules. Who makes rules at the pool? Lifeguard. A lifeguard makes the rules. Rules help us get along. Rules keep us safe. Did you find these words? Who makes rules on the bus? A lifeguard makes the rules. Rules tell us how to act. Rules keep us safe.